Emily is a graduate student from visual arts, teaming up with Nadir Weibel, and also working with Danilo Rodrigues, who is an exchange student with us at the visual arts department. Please join me to welcome the artists today to tell you about their piece. Thank you.
These kind of crowd installations have started from my work in painting and drawing that deal with crowds. And I've been kind of putting these crowds together based on all different kinds of ideas. So maybe people who pass the same point all the time every day but don't know each other, or people who have, found me on the internet and funded a project on Kickstarter. A couple years ago, I met Danilo in one of Nadir's courses in computer science, and we kind of had this idea that I had always wanted to do was to kind of make these kind of live paintings of crowds. And so we figured it out. So we're kind of hoping that we can use technology to create interactions with people that you don't usually have through technology, that creates a much more face-to-face way of interacting with people.
So all those videos were recorded using an application called VideoMob. So basically people go, they see the screen, and as soon as they are detected by the Kinect device, they can actually raise their hand and record a video of themselves.
We manually started to code behavior. So we wanted to understand when and how people move, what do they do. So are they happy? Are they sad? Are they waving? When they are dancing, kissing, embracing. So you see some of these behaviors here where we actually pull them out. And that's also the beauty of the technology. Although we have like a predefined crowd, which is based on time. So basically every time you record yourself, you end up on the crowd after a couple of seconds. We kind of had this hypothesis that people would react to what the crowd did, and it actually turned out that this was mostly the case. And we started to think about how can we make it more reactive instead of just being a moving but static crowd.
So if you do certain things, you might see the crowd stop standing still and start dancing or waving or laughing with you or at you, whichever might happen while you're in there. And we were just really hoping that somehow you would feel like you were really a part of the crowd instead of just seeing this giant crowd flat on the wall, that by being immersed in all of these people surrounding you and by doing actions that trigger those actions, we could create an experience that would be even stronger than just seeing yourself among a crowd on the wall.